guys, in today's video I'm going to show you an all-natural remedy to get rid of dark circles, dark under eyes, and eye bags super quick, naturally, and fast. Also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and check out my beauty hack ebook down below. So for this DIY, all you're going to be needing is some natural ingredients you should be able to find in your kitchen, and one of those is actually tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only so good to eat, but they have natural bleaching properties that can lighten your dark circles, as well as an antioxidant called lycopene. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it is known to minimize dark pigmentation on the skin, including the under eyes. And you can use either cherry tomatoes, big tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, whatever type of tomatoes you have and want to use. I personally like using the cherry tomatoes, but you can also use some big ones like this. And remember guys, this is going to be an all natural remedy, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about what you're putting on your face because you know, and it's super affordable and works so effectively. You can find these ingredients in a lot of really high-end products. Now, little tomatoes are also packed with vitamins and minerals, which help with blood circulation, cell renewal, not just reducing the dark circles and puffiness, but also great for anti-aging. So yeah, let's start with the first half of the mixture. So for this, you're going to be needing 4 cherry tomatoes. If you have big tomatoes, just cut a little bit of the end off to equal the same amount. Once you have that, something that really helps me with making this mixture is a masher. I always forget what this thing is called. You know, what you use to like mash up potatoes. If you don't have something like this, you can always use a fork or a muddler would work the best. I'll link everything down below that you could use or that you might need, but I'm currently not home, so I'm just dealing with what I got. But first, I like to go ahead and press down on the tomatoes before cutting it. That way you don't risk any of that tomato juice squirting anywhere while you cut it. Then I like to chop it in tiny pieces before going ahead and mashing all of the tomatoes. And the riper they are, the easier it will be, but you just want to make sure you take your time with this and activate all of those amazing ingredients. Now the second ingredient you'll be needing is an orange. Oranges not only smell good and taste good and are amazing for the skin, but they are packed with vitamin A and vitamin C contents that not just help when you eat them, but help when you apply them directly on your skin. And that is why we are going to be using a small piece of this orange for our under eye circles. And with vitamin A and vitamin C, it can actually help to lighten the under eyes and any dark spots on the face. Now you're only going to be needing 1 slice for this DIY. Now if you want to make more of what I'm about to show you, you can simply just double or triple everything that I show you in this video to make enough to last you a week or 2 weeks. So next you're going to be needing a cotton pad. I love these cotton pads. I will link them down below. They're hypoallergenic, and you want to go ahead and just soak them in that tomato juice and kind of mix them around the bowl of the tomatoes you sliced and mashed. Then you want to go ahead and top it off by squeezing that orange juice on the top side of the cotton pad. You'll know the top side because it will probably have more juice and more tomatoes on it. Now once you have all that amazing natural skin lightening and hydrating ingredients onto the pad, you're going to add a second pad on the bottom. This is what's really going to help the top pad absorb and make it much easier for you to apply underneath your eyes in the long run. Now once that's done, you want to apply it onto a clean plate or a clean bowl, whatever you have, and then add a little bit more of that orange juice, kind of just finish it off, and then add some tomatoes on top, the ones you sliced. This literally looks like a bougie little appetizer or a cracker, but I promise this is like the best food for your skin. Then you want to place it in the freezer. I definitely like to cover mine with a paper towel or some kind of saran wrap just to help it not get any further frostbite, but I like to leave it in there anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. If you guys are in a rush, you can technically leave it in for less, but it depends how cold you want it and how juicy. So then once you take it out after it's been some time, you want to go ahead and cut it in half. Just cut it directly down the middle. This is what's going to give that natural under eye pad shape that you usually get when you buy them. And since it's double coated, it will not like be falling or dripping down your face. And then you just apply them under your eyes. And it literally feels amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. And it naturally starts to brighten your eyes. It kind of starts to look like you're wearing concealer when you're not. Just give it one time. Some people it takes 10 times. Just depends on your skin, and you want to make sure you leave it on for 10 full minutes. I usually lay down when doing this, but for the video I am sitting up. And by the way, you guys, I don't know if you noticed my knuckles are dark. I've been trying like a slight self tanner lotion. It's not supposed to have much in it, and oh my gosh, it's been a mess. I cannot use it anymore. But anyways, make sure you keep this on your eyes. You guys are gonna love the results, and do not wash your face for a while once you take it off. That's really important. You want your skin just to soak up all those vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients, and you guys are going to start noticing it naturally brightening and depuffing your under eyes. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post a ton of little 1-minute DIY videos. My ebook is listed down below with more beauty hacks, and I will see you guys very soon for a new video. You can comment any request down below. Love you guys. Mwah.